say, is it a hot topic? Well, we know it is here at DMI. We recently did that research that we were discussing, and myself and Mitzi looked at it as well, where we looked at and researched 500 businesses globally. And at the very top of that came through was CX was very important for the future of business success. So this is a hot topic, but where do our listeners get started? It's just such a mountain to climb.
Well, I think the thing is, you can look at the experience pyramid. I think some of the marketeers I've spoken to, they want to start attacking the pyramid from the top. They want to do some of the gloss, some of the really interesting things, perceived to be innovative. And what you have to do first of all is meet the utility. You've got to understand, who is your customer, know them, and as a mandatory list, you've got to design for all of them goals that they're trying to accomplish. That's the brilliant basics. Once you've got that, that's when you can start taking out friction. You can start making it easier to use those services. Only when you've done that stuff can you start making those things really enjoyable and pleasurable and bringing in all of the, sometimes described in marketing as the surprise and delight. Quite often people think that they should jump ahead. Don't make the mistake of not completing that utility. The utility is what makes you useful as a brand.